Welcome! If you're looking to evaluate cloud storage solutions but don't want to spend weeks on research, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down a streamlined approach to quickly and effectively assess cloud storage options. We'll cover the key factors you should consider, how to compare providers, and tips to avoid common pitfalls. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to make a smart decision without wasting valuable time. Let's get started by understanding what cloud storage is and why it's so important for businesses and individuals alike. Before diving into comparisons, it's crucial to clearly define your storage needs. Are you looking for personal use, small business, or enterprise-level solutions? Consider the types of files you'll store, the amount of data, and how often you'll need to access it. Think about whether you need collaboration features, version control, or integration with other tools. By outlining your requirements up front, you'll be able to filter out providers that don't fit, saving you a lot of time and effort in the evaluation process. Once you know what you need, set clear evaluation criteria. Common factors include storage capacity, pricing, security, ease of use, and customer support. You might also want to consider scalability, compliance standards, and integration capabilities. Having a checklist of must-have and nice-to-have features will help you quickly eliminate unsuitable options and focus on the best candidates. With your criteria in hand, create a short list of cloud storage providers. Start with well-known names like Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Amazon S3, but don't overlook niche providers that might better fit your needs. Use comparison websites and user reviews to quickly narrow down your options. Aim for a list of 3 to 5 providers to keep your evaluation manageable and focused. Pricing can vary widely between providers, so it's important to understand each provider's pricing model. Look for transparent pricing and pay attention to hidden costs like data transfer fees, API calls, or overage charges. Compare the cost per gigabyte as well as any discounts for annual commitments or larger storage volumes. This step will help you avoid surprises and ensure you're getting the best value for your needs. Security is a top priority when it comes to cloud storage. Assess each provider's security measures, such as encryption both in transit and at rest, multi-factor authentication, and compliance with industry standards like GDPR or HIPAA. Also, consider the provider's track record for data breaches and their policies on data privacy. Strong security features will protect your data and give you peace of mind. A user-friendly interface can make a big difference in your daily workflow. Test the usability of each provider's platform by signing up for a free trial or demo. Evaluate how easy it is to upload, organize, and share files. Check if the platform supports your devices and operating systems, and see if there are mobile apps or desktop clients available. Good usability will save you time and reduce frustration. Performance is another key factor. During your trial, test upload and download speeds, especially with large files. See how the platform handles simultaneous users or heavy workloads. If possible, test from different locations or networks to gauge consistency. Reliable performance ensures that your data is always accessible when you need it. Integration with your existing tools can greatly enhance productivity. Check if the cloud storage provider offers integrations with popular apps like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Slack, or project management tools. Also, look for APIs or automation options if you need custom workflows. Seamless integration can save you time and reduce manual work. Your storage needs may grow over time, so it's important to choose a provider that can scale with you. Review the provider's scalability options, such as easy upgrades, flexible storage plans, and support for large data volumes. Make sure you won't face limitations or high costs as your requirements increase. Scalability ensures your solution remains effective as your business or personal needs evolve. Data loss can happen for many reasons, so robust data recovery options are essential. Check if the provider offers features like file versioning, trash recovery, and backup options. Understand the process for restoring lost or deleted files and how long backups are retained. Reliable data recovery features can prevent major headaches in case of accidental deletions or technical issues. Good customer support can make a big difference, especially if you run into issues. Review each provider's support channels, such as live chat, phone, or email. Check response times and availability, especially if you operate in different time zones. Look for online resources like FAQs, forums, and tutorials. Reliable support ensures you'll get help when you need it most. If you handle sensitive or regulated data, compliance is critical. Check if the provider meets standards like GDPR, HIPAA, or SOC 2. Review their documentation and ask for compliance reports if needed. This step is especially important for businesses in healthcare, finance, or other regulated industries. Compliance ensures your data is handled according to legal and industry requirements. User reviews can provide valuable insights into real-world experiences with each provider. Look for reviews on independent sites and pay attention to recurring themes, both positive and negative. Consider factors like reliability, customer service, and ease of use. While no provider is perfect, consistent issues in reviews can be a red flag. Most reputable cloud storage providers offer free trials or live demos. Take advantage of these to test the platform's features, performance, and usability firsthand. Use your checklist to systematically evaluate each provider during the trial period. This hands-on experience is invaluable for making an informed decision. If you work with a team, collaboration features are essential. Test how easy it is to share files, set permissions, and collaborate in real time. Look for features like commenting, file locking, and activity tracking. Effective collaboration tools can boost productivity and streamline teamwork. In today's mobile world, being able to access your files on the go is a must. Test the provider's mobile apps for usability, performance, and features. Make sure you can easily upload, view, and share files from your smartphone or tablet. Mobile accessibility ensures you're always connected to your data wherever you are. File versioning allows you to recover previous versions of documents, which is especially useful for collaborative work or accidental changes. Check how many versions are retained, how long they're kept, and how easy it is to restore them. Strong versioning features can save you from data loss and make collaboration smoother. If you're moving data from another platform, migration tools can make the process much easier. Check if the provider offers automated migration, step-by-step guides, or support for bulk uploads. Good migration tools will minimize downtime and reduce the risk of data loss during the transition. Sharing files securely is a core feature of cloud storage. Test how easy it is to share files or folders with others, set permissions, and revoke access when needed. Look for features like password-protected links, expiration dates, and detailed access logs. Secure sharing options protect your data while enabling collaboration. For advanced users or businesses, APIs and automation can be game changers. Check if the provider offers robust APIs for integrating with your systems or automating workflows. Look for documentation, sample code, and community support. Automation features can save you time and enable more complex use cases. Some cloud storage providers offer reporting and analytics tools to help you monitor usage, track activity, and optimize storage. Check if you can generate usage reports, audit logs, or access statistics. These features are especially useful for businesses that need to manage multiple users or comply with regulations. Data residency refers to where your data is physically stored. Some providers let you choose the region or country for your data storage, which can be important for compliance or performance reasons. Check if the provider offers data residency options and whether they meet your legal or business requirements. A service level agreement (SLA) defines the provider's commitments regarding uptime, support, and performance. Review the SLA for each provider to understand their guarantees and compensation policies. A strong SLA can give you confidence in the provider's reliability and accountability. Vendor lock-in can make it difficult to switch providers in the future. Check if the provider uses proprietary formats or makes it hard to export your data. Look for open standards, data portability options, and clear exit processes. Minimizing lock-in risks gives you more flexibility down the road. To truly evaluate a provider, test real-world scenarios that match your typical use cases. Upload and share files, collaborate with team members, and simulate data recovery. This practical approach will reveal strengths and weaknesses that might not be obvious from feature lists or marketing materials. Beyond the advertised price, some providers may have hidden costs like data egress fees, API charges, or support fees. Carefully review the pricing documentation and ask questions if anything is unclear. Understanding the full cost structure will help you avoid unpleasant surprises later. Your storage needs may change, so it's important to know how easy it is to upgrade or downgrade your plan. Check if the provider allows seamless transitions between plans and whether there are any penalties or restrictions. Flexible upgrade and downgrade options ensure you can adapt as your needs evolve. For teams or organizations, multi-user management is essential. Check if the provider offers user roles, permissions, and activity tracking. Look for features like group management, single sign-on, and audit logs. Effective user management helps you maintain control and security as your team grows. Comprehensive documentation and resources can make setup and troubleshooting much easier. Check if the provider offers detailed guides, FAQs, video tutorials, and community forums. Good documentation empowers you to solve problems quickly and get the most out of your storage solution. Notifications can keep you informed about important events, such as file changes, sharing activity, or storage limits. Test the provider's notification system to see if it's customizable and timely. Good notifications help you stay on top of your data and respond quickly to issues. Encryption is a critical security feature. Check if the provider uses strong encryption algorithms for data at rest and in transit. Some providers offer client-side encryption for extra security. Understanding encryption practices will help you choose a provider that keeps your data safe from unauthorized access. Efficient search and organization tools can save you time and improve productivity. Test the provider's search functionality, tagging, and folder organization. See how easy it is to find and categorize files, especially as your storage grows. Good organization tools make managing large volumes of data much easier. Data retention policies determine how long your files are kept, especially after deletion or account closure. Review each provider's policies to ensure they align with your needs and compliance requirements. Clear retention policies help you manage data lifecycle and avoid accidental loss. Offline access can be a lifesaver when you're traveling or have unreliable internet. Check if the provider allows you to sync files locally for offline use. Test how well offline access works and how changes are synced once you're back online. Reliable offline access ensures you're never cut off from your important files. Some providers offer customization options, such as branding, custom domains, or workflow automation. Check if you can tailor the platform to fit your business or personal preferences. Customization can enhance your experience and make the platform feel like a natural extension of your workflow. Being able to preview and edit files directly in the cloud can boost productivity. Test the provider's file, preview, and editing capabilities for common file types like documents, images, and videos. Check if you can collaborate on edits in real time. These features can streamline your workflow and reduce the need for downloads. Audit and activity logs help you track who accessed or modified files, which is important for security and compliance. Check if the provider offers detailed logs and how easy it is to review them. Good logging features provide transparency and accountability for your data. Disaster recovery is crucial for business continuity. Check if the provider has documented disaster recovery plans, including backup frequency, data center redundancy, and recovery time objectives. Strong disaster recovery capabilities ensure your data is safe even in the event of major incidents. Some organizations prioritize sustainability. Check if the provider uses renewable energy, has green certifications, or publishes environmental impact reports. Choosing an eco-friendly provider can align with your values and contribute to a more sustainable future. Always read the terms of service before committing to a provider. Look for clauses about data ownership, acceptable use, and termination policies. Understanding the legal framework will help you avoid surprises and protect your rights as a user. After evaluating all your shortlisted providers, summarize your findings in a comparison table or document. Highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each option based on your criteria. This summary will make it easier to make a final decision and justify your choice to stakeholders if needed. With all the information in hand, it's time to make your decision. Choose the provider that best meets your needs, offers good value, and aligns with your priorities. Remember, no solution is perfect, but a structured evaluation process will help you make the best possible choice in a fraction of the time. Cloud storage needs can change over time, so it's wise to periodically review your solution. Set a schedule to reassess your provider, check for new features, and ensure you're still getting the best value. Ongoing review helps you stay ahead of changes and adapt as your requirements evolve. Congratulations! You now have a clear, efficient process for evaluating cloud storage providers without wasting weeks. By following these steps, you can confidently choose a solution that fits your needs and budget. Remember to document your process and share your findings with your team or stakeholders. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your cloud storage journey.